Are you doing that?
Yes, sir.
Come. You still have a lot of ground to cover today. Hold behind.
Nicholas. Nicholas.
Daddy, look at your son.